Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, I have already added the image that we are going to use in this tutorial and highlighted this upper text called Daily News. Now let's add the text up on this image, then remove this default text and add 2 underscores. Now scroll down and turn off this uniform scale. Let's take this text and adjust it according to the newspaper text. Then scale the height again, adjust it according to the text, and scale the width after that. Scroll up and increase the font size, then adjust on the text and rotate a bit. Now let's change the color to yellow. Now go to animations and add this wave in the animation. Set the duration to 1 second so it won't go too fast. Now convert this text into a compound clip. Now right-click on the video, click on Edit, and select Ratio. Because right now you can see that this yellow text box is covering the full screen, but we only want the text, so we're going to crop it. After that, go on the left, click on Video, make sure you are in Basic, then scroll down and stop on Blend. Click on Default and select Multiply. Now you can see the difference. Let me play the video. Also, there's another way to roll this yellow background on the text. Select the compound clip, go to Mask, click on Add Mask, and select the first one split. Now rotate this to -90 degrees. Go on the left, scroll down, and add a keyframe on Mask Settings. On the screen, take this line on the start, where this is going to start from, then go 45 frames further and take this line at the end like this. Rotate a bit. Now let me play.
I know you told your friend you're
That's how you can highlight text in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching the video.